Hey, it's Joe Glines. In this video on AutoHotkey Studio, I was going to demonstrate the restore process. This is for working when you're working with the file and you have the backups for Studio turned on. It's pretty cool because I'm old school. I like to save different versions of my script, and that way I can revert to them. But what you can do is, let's say I added a new thing here. Well, let's do equals some more text. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to delete it, and say, so save that, and I'll delete it again, and let's save that. All right, now I'm going to hit Alt-M and type restore, if I can spell, restore current file, and this is this file, and look at all the different timestamps, and I can start looking through, and see, notice in here what's changing, right? That was the different versions we had. And of course, everything in your file, you can go back through and look at the different versions of it and what was in there. And you can either, I think you can come in here and actually copy from this if you don't want to restore the whole thing. Yeah, which is really slick, right? So if you just wanted a line, you're like, crap, I needed that line. I didn't mean to delete it. You can go in here. You don't have to go do all this undo crazy stuff. Come in here, take a quick look at what, where it was. And then you can actually choose to say, oh, I want to restore this version. I want to restore this early version. And it'll revert to it, right? So it just depends what you want to do. But the fact that you can do that, it's a great functionality because, how many times have we worked on something, had it close to working, started making some tweaks, actually screwed it up, and then we're like, I didn't save a previous version. So now, unless you're using Dropbox, which I also do. Dropbox, by the way, you can, if your file's in your Dropbox, you can log into the web version and then click on the file and then click on the version, say show versions of this and look at it and also copy it or restore it from there. But not a big thing that people know about Dropbox, but you have to use the web version for that, not the Explorer on your computer. So anyway, hope that helps. Cheers.